Have you ever wondered why it feels like everyone else is getting richer while you are stuck in the same financial place year after year? The truth is, getting rich isn't always about luck or working non-stop. It's often about avoiding the hidden traps that silently drain your wealth. Today, I'll be breaking down things you must absolutely avoid if you want to build real wealth in 2025 and beyond. So stick around, because just knowing this pitfall could save you thousands or even millions over your lifetime. This might be the wake-up call you never knew you needed. Real quick, if you're new here, my name is Chika and I make these videos to help you understand money the way the rich do, so you can start building your very own version of financial freedom. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because every week on Wednesdays and Sundays, I break down money, financial market, and how to protect your wealth. Now, let's get into it. You know, there's one sneaky habit keeping millions of people from ever becoming wealthy, and that's procrastination. I'm talking about habits like saying things like, I'll start investing once I have more money, or I'll save later when I'm more stable. Here's the harsh reality: later never comes, and each day you wait, you lose one of your greatest advantages: time. Let me show you exactly why this matters. Imagine you start investing $100 every month at age 25. At age 65, thanks to compound interest, you would have $250,000. But what if you wait till you're 35 years old to start? Well, you have around half of that amount, $120,000. Think about it. A 10-year delay cost you over $100,000. That's the real price of procrastination. So here's what you need to do today. Start small, but start right now. Even if it's just $10 or $20 a week, getting started today is better than waiting for the perfect time that never arrives. Have you ever noticed how your expenses always seems to rise faster than your income? It's like magic, really, except it's actually a dangerous financial trap called lifestyle inflation. And here's how it works. You get a raise, a bonus, or even a tax refund, and your first thought is, great, how can I spend this extra money? What do I spend it on? Suddenly, you upgrade your car, you move into a bigger house, and you start dining in fancier restaurants. Without realizing it, you just increase your lifestyle, you've increased your spending, and you're right back to living paycheck to paycheck, even though you are making more money. And here's the truth you need to hear. You can't build real wealth if you're constantly spending every penny you earn. So, what's the solution? It's surprisingly simple. Always spend less than you make. Simple. Instead of thinking, how can I spend this money? Start asking yourself, how can I use this money to make my future self richer? Let's face it, most of us didn't learn much about money management in school. You might have been taught algebra and history, but when it comes to handling your own finances, nada. But here's the truth. Financial education is no longer optional. It's the foundation of building real money, real wealth in today's world. No matter how much you earn, if you don't understand how to manage it, save it, or even grow it, you will always feel like you are left behind. Think about it. Knowing the basics like budgeting, saving strategies, investing, and understanding credit score can literally change your life. And here's the best part. Learning these skills has never been easier. Books, podcasts, YouTube videos like this one, online courses, they are right at your fingertips. Many are completely free. So make a commitment today. Every week, learn one thing new about personal finance. It could be something as simple as understanding what compound interest actually means, or figuring out how to improve your credit scores. Trust me, it's worth it. Let's be honest, just hearing the word budget makes most people tune out. It sounds restrictive, boring, or maybe even a little stressful. But here's the truth. Avoiding a budget is like trying to drive across the country with no map, no GPS, no fuel plan. You're not going to make it very far. A budget isn't about depriving yourself. It's about giving every dollar a purpose. It shows you where your money is really going and helps you make sure it's going to the right places like savings, investing, and long-term goals. And here's the thing, right? Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. You could try something simple like the 50-30-20 rules. That is, 50% of your income goes into your essentials, 30% goes to your wants, 20% goes to saving and investing. Or use a budgeting app that does the heavy lifting for you. If you don't have a budget right now, don't feel bad, but don't stay there either. Start today. Even writing down your monthly income and expenses on paper is a huge first step. Do it. Let me ask you something. Have you ever gone into a store for one thing and then you walk out with 5? Or maybe you were just scrolling through Instagram, saw an ad and thought, why not? Click, buy, done. That's impulse buying. It's one of the easiest way to quietly destroy your budget and delay your financial goal. Here's the trap. Each purchase feels small in the moment, but they add up fast. A $30 gadget here, a $50 outfit here, a fast food delivery here because you didn't feel like cooking, and before you know it, hundreds or even thousands of dollars are gone each month, and you have literally nothing to show for it. So, how do you stop? First, become aware of your triggers. Are you bored? Are you stressed? Are you rewarding yourself after a long day? Knowing why you shop helps you regain control. Then, use this trick. It's called the 24-hour rule. If you see something you want, don't buy it right now. Don't buy it just yet. Wait for 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, then consider it. Most of the time, and trust me on this, that urge disappears. Also, unsubscribe from marketing emails and mute those tempting social media ads. The less you see, the less you spend. A lot of people think investing is something only the rich do, or they say, well, I'll start investing when I have more money. But here's the truth. If you're not investing, you are falling behind. Full stop. Saving money is great, but saving alone won't build wealth. Inflation slowly eats away at your cash. Investing is the only way to grow it. And no, you don't need thousands to get started. With platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, Trading 212, Robinhood, you can start investing with as little as £5 or $5. Start with something simple. Low-cost index funds are a great way to go. You're spreading your money across hundreds of companies, which lowers your risk and lets you grow your money steadily over time. And here's the golden rule. Time in the market beats time in the market every single time. Trying to predict the highs and lows is a losing game. So by starting early and staying consistent, that's how real wealth is built. Now, here's something nobody tells you. Vague goals lead to vague results. If your financial plan is just save money or get rich someday, guess what? It's never going to happen. You need clarity. You need specifics. Let me show you what that looks like. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save £10,000 for an emergency fund by this time next year. Now you have a goal you can measure, a goal you can track and ultimately achieve. Use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It turns your financial dream into a step-by-step plan. And here's the kicker. When you have clear goals, you are way less likely to waste money on things that don't matter. You know exactly what you are working towards, and that focus is powerful. That focus can completely change your life. So here's your challenge. After this video, write down one financial goal you want to hit by the end of this year. Put it somewhere visible and review it every week. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Maybe turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video, because every Wednesdays and Sundays I break down money, financial market, and how to protect your wealth so you can stay ahead of the economy no matter what comes your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.